So I was trying to say that what you guys did during the practice is the same thing here. So you can still have the same interface here. There's nothing changed. So here you can go with this, or you can actually go with this. It's still the same thing. So I'm going to remove this directory. I'm going to remove it. So this is what at sonnyautos.com. Okay, so let's go down a little bit. So here I'm going to actually name it with the company's name at Sonny Autos. Okay, at Sonny Autos company limited. Company. Okay, then I have here they said the attack code is what we love detailing, something like that. So let me just we love detailing, something like that. So I'm going to actually put this in capital letters. Okay, but I think I'm going to actually change this letter because I can't remember the exact stuff they use. So here you're going to leave all this one, leave all this one, leave all this one, leave all this one. So now here you set your password. I'm going to put it at Sonny. Yes, this is where some of you sometimes you forget. Okay, wait. I'm going to actually hide this. It's not actually strong, so but I'm going to actually make it a little bit stronger. Going to be a little bit stronger. Good, so that let me add. Okay, let it just be there. And so the installation is actually going to go into this. Let me send the installation details to my email. So click on install and save. Good, so that I can have it. So now here if your network is not actually good, you may have issues here. You see, it doesn't take up to 2 minutes. So this website now, if I click on it, see, it's bringing this because the SSL certificate has not finished installing. So as I told you, it's going to take about 48 hours. So let me proceed to the website and let's see how the website looks like. So come on, but this is not what I want. This is not what I want at all. So now let's go back. This is the back end which we will use and do our work. So also open it in another place. Okay, this is the back end. You haven't taken backup. Sorry sir, I'll do that later. So this is it. Okay, now let me just show you something. This is where we are going to actually do most of our work. The back end is where we are going to do most of our work, right? So let me try and install something here. Teams. Let me just try to show you something. Add new team, and let me just see what I'm going to do here. Let me just look at let me look at car services. Okay, let me look for one nice car services team and put there. I think let me just car booking. No, just let me activate it and let's see what is going to happen at the front end. So it's activated, and this is the front end, and let's refresh and see what we are going to get. We may not get something perfectly like the one we have gotten. Yeah, it's not dope because we have not. There are a lot of things we are going to still do at the back end here. A lot of work is going to be done at the back end. Let me actually let me put this team. Let me add new. Let me look for Astra. Good. So I'll install it. Hope you are following. Activate. Let me check how it looks like. Let me look So I'll check how it looks like. The Astra team. Okay. So after that, let me check how this Astra team looks like first. Okay, so here I'm going to go with something here. Says start. I'm going to go with this starter pack. Has it loaded? Okay, it has loaded. The Astra team has loaded, but it's not fine at all. So it's activating the starter pack. It's activating the starter pack. Don't mind this, is going to actually say, you see that, maybe I'll show you later when this has come up. Okay, so this is the installation. So you can keep this anytime you want to work into the back end, you must always come into this. So that is the back end of what happened. Okay, so that is how to buy domain and hosting, and they will send you the login details. So from the login details, just as I told you, is at the back end that you do most of your work, right? So maybe I'll take you through on step by step on how to go through all this. Okay, I don't know why this gets started. I want to do this reference. So let's just get started. I want to impute a customized template so that the website can actually come up for us to see how it looks like. Okay, so I'll come here and said no, not build with AI, build with template, build with Elementor. Okay, maybe later. So I'm going to actually look for car service stuff like that. I'll see if I'll see a template that actually matches with that. car service. I want to look for a template. That actually this is my car service. I presume it's actually loading, but let me check for or automobile. Okay, let me check for car. Okay, we have we rent. Okay, no. Or we have what we do. Let me try using this. Okay, so we continue. Okay, so what do we have here? Include page builders. No, not for e-commerce features and all those ones. Okay, appointment and booking should be there. Yeah. Okay, automation integration, free chat should be there. E-commerce should be also be there. Okay, so we continue. Tell us a little bit about yourself. Okay, just put Richard Spart. I'm an expert. I'm building for my client. So that is all. Okay, understand all this. Okay, submit. So now it's going to actually do most of the work for us. It's going to take the workload like let me say 70% or maybe 90% of the workload off our shoulder. Yeah, so let's just see the magic that is going to be done. Just hold on maybe like for 2 seconds or sorry 2 minutes or 3. Let's just see how the magic